What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to free up storage on Snapchat on Android. So to do that, you have to go to your Snapchat, and once in there, go to your Bitmoji, and after that, go to the settings. And in here, you have to go to your once in here, you'll find the clear cache option in the account action section. So tap on clear cache. So tap on continue, and as you can see, the cache of this file or Snapchat is getting deleted. So once it is done, as you can see, the successfully cleared cache notification. And after that, you have to go to your Snapchat, and or you can also go to your My Files and go to internal storage, and in here go to Android, go to media, and then check for Snapchat. And if you can't find it, then search it in here, and you can just delete your specific contents of Snapchat to clear your storage, and this will help you out. So yeah, this is how easily you can free up storage in Snapchat Android. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and please share it with your friends and family if it worked for you. Hope this video, and we'll see you in the next video.